How to make your teeth whiter. A bright smile can boost your confidence. Here are some methods to help whiten your teeth, and they are brought to you by Health Next. Let's look at home remedies first. We have got baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Create a paste and gently brush your teeth. However, use this method sparingly as it can be abrasive. Next is apple cider vinegar. Dilute it with water and use as a mouthwash. There is also oil pulling. Swishing coconut or sesame oil in your mouth can help remove bacteria. Note: while these methods may show some results, their effectiveness varies, and it's essential to consult a dentist before trying them regularly. Please don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Let's look at the professional teeth whitening ways too. Number 1 is in-office whitening. Your dentist uses a concentrated bleaching gel and a special light to accelerate the whitening process. Next is take-home kits. Your dentist provides custom-made trays and whitening gel for you to use at home. There is even what we call whitening toothpaste. This contains mild bleaching agents to help remove surface stains. These are the tips for maintaining white teeth. Maintain regular brushing and flossing. This removes plaque and food particles. Limit stain-causing foods and drinks. Coffee, tea, red wine, and smoking can stain teeth. Use a straw. This reduces contact between beverages and your teeth. Do regular dental checkups. Your dentist can remove tartar and identify any underlying issues, and this can be so helpful. Remember, it's essential to consult your dentist before starting any teeth whitening treatment, as they can assess your oral health and recommend the best approach for you. Would you like to know more about a specific method or have any other questions about teeth whitening? Drop your questions in comment. Subscribe for the next video. Health Next, Life Secure. It's Mark.